Have you ever wondered what it's like to be the king of the ocean? Let's dive deep into the world of one of the most magnificent and misunderstood creatures on our planet, the great white shark. These incredible animals are not just big fish, they're the largest predatory fish in the world. Imagine a creature that can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 3,000 pounds. That's longer than a minivan and heavier than a small car, and they're not just big. They're ancient. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for over 300 million years, which means they were around long before the dinosaurs. Now, let's talk about their famous teeth. A great white has about 300 triangular teeth arranged in several rows. When one tooth breaks or falls out, another one from the row behind simply moves up to take its place. Throughout its life, a single great white can go through thousands of teeth. It's like having a never-ending supply of steak knives. And they need those teeth for their diet. Great whites are apex predators sitting at the very top of the food chain. They primarily feed on marine mammals like seals and sea lions, as well as large fish and sometimes even sea turtles. They are powerful hunters, capable of bursts of speed up to 35 miles per hour. One of their most spectacular hunting techniques is called breaching, where they launch themselves completely out of the water to catch their prey by surprise. It's a breathtaking sight, a true display of raw power. Great whites have some amazing senses that make them very effective predators. Their sense of smell is legendary. They can detect a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water, and they can smell potential prey from miles away. They also have a special sense called Electroreception, through tiny pores on their snout called Ampullae of Lorenzini. They can detect the faint electrical fields generated by the muscle movements of other animals. This helps them find prey that's hidden or buried in the sand, despite their fearsome reputation, which is largely thanks to movies. Great whites are not the mindless man-eaters they're often portrayed as. Attacks on humans are incredibly rare, and most are cases of mistaken identity. To a shark looking up from below, a person on a surfboard can look a lot like a seal. Once they take an exploratory bite and realize it's not their usual fatty meal, they typically swim away. We are not on their menu. These sharks are found in cool coastal waters all around the world, from California to South Africa and Australia to Japan. They are constantly on the move, undertaking long migrations across entire ocean basins. Scientists have tracked some great whites that travel over 12,000 miles in just 9 months. Sadly, these majestic creatures are facing serious threats. Overfishing and getting accidentally caught in fishing gear are major problems. Their fins are also highly valued in some markets, leading to illegal finning. As a result, the great white shark is now listed as a vulnerable species. Conservation efforts are constantly underway to protect them by studying their behavior, migration patterns, and population numbers. Scientists can better understand what these sharks need to survive. Responsible shark tourism, where people can see them in their natural habitat, also helps raise awareness and shows that these animals are worth more alive than dead. So, the next time you think of a great white shark, don't just picture the scary monster from the movies. Picture a powerful, intelligent, and ancient survivor that plays a crucial role in keeping our oceans healthy. They are a vital part of the marine ecosystem, and it's our responsibility to ensure they continue to roam the seas for generations to come. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of the great white shark. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about our amazing planet, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time!